Hello everyone. This video we are going to look how we can convert for image file into an Excel file. Okay, in a easy way, because right now we don't have a time for typing, right? Even for Word as well as for the Excel also. In a easy way, how we can convert it with a clear format. That's the thing we are going to look in this video. So let's see. See, this is what the image file which we are converting into an Excel. Okay, from here it is available form as the following, and you can take it for any word. Okay, only for the word which is available for the text, that is also you can keep it. So for the example I'm showing over here, this will be the image file. Okay, so now we are going to convert into an Excel. In a sense, you need to go this respective website, that is onlineocr.net. Okay, once you're going over there, just you can click and you can download respective image. Click this, open over here, and from here you can see the language which is available. Okay, so English language only I have uploaded over there, and from here you can convert for Word, Excel and text plain. Okay, so these are all the conversion will be available. So I am selecting for Microsoft Excel, and from here you can check a respective image is 100% uploaded or not. It's uploaded right now. You can click as convert over here. So once you're converting, once you're clicking as convert, you need to wait. Okay, after that it will be converted into an Excel file. Okay, so just you can wait for a couple of seconds. Right now the counting is going on and it's showing for the process. Okay, and down you can look the output file and see right now it's available over here for the output file. Okay, once you're clicking this one, and from here also you can copy. If you want to copy in a Word document, you can copy and paste, but we require for Excel file, just you can click as download and see from here it's downloaded. So open the respective file. Right now I'm expanding this one, enable editing. See here, this is a way it's coming. Right now I will open for the image file also. See the image file. Okay, let me keep it for the Excel also. Okay, just you can keep it for the Excel file. See, as the same format, everything will be available over here. And for the image file which you are looking over here, this will be the Fahad 1 2 3 4 lines and initiate managers, and from here it's available all those things in a proper way. Okay, I think this will be very useful video to you. If it is useful, in a sense, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watch. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.